Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a long time. ET phone drones metal, guys. Things been rough. You know, everyone out there, hope everything is going absolutely wonderful. I am going to go fly a couple packs. It's going to be good. It's going to be healthy. It's going to be full of adrenaline rushes. And actually, there's like a guy wanted in my area. Not in this area, but like the next town over. And it's like serious shit. Got killed. Or he shot an officer, and now he's running away. He's on the loose, and there's like another person that was found dead. So I don't know if it's linked. We'll see. I might keep you guys posted if you guys are even interested in that. Fucking, what am I saying? There's my backpack right here. It's got all the stuff. We're gonna go to my car, find a spot. Let's do this. Here. It's absolutely wonderful to be in California and into this hobby. Once again, this hobby has kind of saved me from a lot of sharks. Definitely been going through a lot, but you know what? There's definitely light at the end of the tunnel, and there's always going to be another motor that you can replace. There's always another set of motors. You know what I'm saying? Because as of right now, I have two quads that are bashed up. But C's, malfunctioning motors. Basically, just need to be stripped down and rebuilt. I got another buddy that I helped get into the hobby that is out of commission as well. So we're gonna have a build day coming up. See you guys there. Want to be doing some more footage here. Kind of like I said, guys. I got reclusive. Got baby mama kind of stepped away. Took the kid with her, so shit's been better. Not necessarily with her, like I get to see my son, but have a broken family now, and that was a. That all happened in Christmas, but it's been devastating, and definitely want to, you guys ever want to talk about shit like that, reach out to me, guys. I am afflicted as can be, and FPV has kind of, like I said, it's always kind of pushing me to do other things that I never thought I would do, like go on this fucking adventure here. Look at this riverbed I'm at. It's just a desolate riverbed. It's a beautiful thing though. Kind of just looking for the best spot to fly at. Looking for big trees and stuff. Anyways, there's still a guy out on the loose trying to kill someone. Hope it's not me. That would just be too amazing. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do some flying here in a minute.
snakes are out here fucking multiplying. I barely notice because approaching me is fucking dying. I'm hyper focused on all the course that I've been fucking trying. Yeah, I'm all for one. Look at me the wrong way, baby, what you done? I'm a lady broken and blinded up just for fun. I'ma take your pride and turn this shit into dust. Think I'm fucking crazy, almost can't contain me. Middle state is shattered and my mouth's trying to shake me. The brother code has said it's fucking scary, man, you're changing. You ain't been the same since you stay lost your lane. You ain't got no guidance or patience or medication. I'm so fucking scared with all the risks that you've been taking. I'm looking at my friend and I'm seeing he's really hurting. But I'm so fucking stupid, I honestly barely heard him. Shit. Hey, no shits. I didn't know when my life was gonna start making sense. Just wanna ride down the road playing songs with my friends. I'm thinking back when I was young and just wanted to sing. Now that I'm older, don't get smashed by the hand of the king. Bitch, I'm king. Just one move, make a fuck nigga scream. One word, make a bitch boy bleed. No sweeter kicks, loud and gross. Yeah.